Students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. Today we are going to start the topic that is circumference and area of circle. Like what we had studied in square, rectangle, perimeter and area, same way circle is also having perimeter and area. But as it is in a circular shape, it is called as circumference. Perimeter जो हम बोलते हैं square और rectangle का, here it will be called as circumference. That is the difference. That the distance around the circular region is known as its circumference. जो circle होगा उसकी जो boundary होगी that will be called as a circumference. That only I told you that जो हम perimeter बोलते हैं वो circle के लिए the word used that is circumference. Now how to find out the formula for circumference? So it is being said कि कोई भी circle का circumference ले लो. Okay, for example, just I am making one circle. Okay, this is the circle. The circumference means this. अगर हमने उसको open कर दिया, so it will become a straight line. तो जो भी उसका circumference है, अगर उसको उसके diameter, now diameter you are knowing, the diameter is that line which passes from the center of the circle. तो circumference को जब diameter से divide करते हैं, then we get the ratio of pi. It is called pi. This is the new thing for you, but it will go on in your future classes also. So कहने का मतलब क्या है? एक सर्कल है, उसका जो circumference है, अब सर्कल का जो circumference है, अगर हमने उसको open कर दिया, so it will become a straight line. तो अगर हम उसको मेजर करते हैं तो जो सर्कमफ्रेंस है उसको डायमीटर से जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे, सो द रेशियो दैट विल गेट दैट इज कॉल्ड पाई. उसको बोलते हैं पाई. इट इज अ ग्रीक लेटर. इट इज द 16th ग्रीक लेटर. इफ यू वांट यू कैन फाइंड आउट. सो सर्कमफ्रेंस को जब डायमीटर से डिवाइड करते हैं, सो व्हाट वी गेट द वैल्यू वी गेट द इज पाई. Now pi, so now if we want to find out the circumference, अगर हमको circumference find out करना है, so normally what we used to do, we will find out circumference is equal to this diameter will go here in multiplication, so it will become pi into d, and we know that d is equal to what? 2r. 2 times radius अगर आप ले लोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? एक diameter. So what I can write that c is equal to pi 2r. So all of them are to be multiplied. So the formula finally comes that is 2 pi r. Now the value for pi will be always, if we go in decimal form, it will be 3.14. means it is not कि 3.14 पे खत्म हो जाता है, it goes on, but normally it is taken 3.14, or in the fraction form it will be taken as 22/7. दोनों जो वैल्यू है that is for pi. So ये याद रखना है, pi की वैल्यू it will be 3.14. Whenever you are solving the sum also at that time they will mention that what value of pi you have to take. So our formula for circumference of circle that comes to 2 pi r, and the value of pi I had already told it is 3.14 or 22/7. So what I explained that circumference जो भी सर्कल का होगा उसको डायमीटर से जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे, so the ratio that comes that is this pi. So pi means, as I told you, the value I have written. Now if we want to find out circumference, हमें अगर circumference find out करना है, so this diameter will go from division to multiplication, so it will become pi into d, and that d means what? 2 times r. दो रेडियस मिलके एक डायमीटर फॉर्म होता है, या तो एक डायमीटर में 2 रेडियस होता है. So that in place of d we are putting what? 2r, so it is become pi 2r. So then when it will be multiplied, it will be formed as 2 pi r. So this is the formula which you have to apply whenever you want to find out the circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r, and the value for pi will be 3.14 and 22 upon or 22 upon 7. Both can be taken, any one from both can be taken, it will be one and the same. Same way when we want to find out the area of circle, so that you can see on your page number 222. It is being given to a circle that they are divided into many parts and then it is being formed in the shape of a rectangle. उसको rectangle shape में form किया हुआ है on page 222 on the top. So what happened? जो circular parts था, whatever the circular part is there, circle का जो circular part होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle means what? 2 pi r. Then जो form हो रहा है अंदर का part, that is what? Radius. That's why see they are taken what? That length is equal to what? Circumference and breadth is equal to what? Radius. Circumference जो नीचे form हो रहा है. Okay, they have arranged the part of the circle, whatever you say, that are being arranged in one rectangle. So ये जो circular parts है, they are coming where? Here on both the side. So circular part को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Circumference of the circle. So that will be taken as 2 pi r. और जो अंदर का पार्ट जो यहाँ पे फॉर्म हो रहा है, if you can see in your textbook also the diagram, so they are forming what? Radius. वो तो radius ही form करेगा ना, because that is the inner part, ये part, this part is being there, so that is forming what? Radius. अभी circles are, it is being divided into half part, because half of it is arranged over here and half over here. So when we find out the area of circle, so it means it is half into 2 pi r into r. So 2 get cancelled, so the remaining thing is what? R into r, that becomes r square, and what is remaining? Pi. So the formula that we get for area of circle, that is what? Pi r square. Okay, again the value for pi, it can be 3.14 or it can be 2.22 upon 7. So these are the two new things which are being introduced in your 7th standard. Otherwise area perimeter of square you are knowing. The new thing, circumference of a circle and area of circle. Circumference of circle means 2 pi r and area of circle is pi r square. That is the formula which we have to use in the exercise 11.3. So now let us move to exercise. So if you can see in your exercise 11.3, the question number 1, we have to find the circumference of the circle with the following radius, and say, as I told you, वहाँ पे pi की value always it will be given that you have to take pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So if we move exercise 11.3, question number 1, first one. So find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. देखो उसमें radius होना जरूरी है, because 2 pi r and pi r square. R means what? It is radius. So radius is important. So first one, radius is given as 14 centimeter, and we have to find out the circumference of the circle. So what we'll write? Circumference of the circle, that is equal to 2 pi r, और वहाँ पे pi की वैल्यू क्या बोली है? 22 upon 7. So it will be 2 into 22 upon 7 as it is given in the question. We have to take the value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7 and radius is what? 14. So 7 ones are and 7 twos are. So 2 twos are is 4 and 22 into 4 it comes to 88 centimeter square. As we used to put in area of square and rectangle also square units. So in area, here it is circumference. Okay. So circumference is being there, so it will come as only centimeter. The area find out करेंगे it will be centimeter square. So now first one I have done. Then second and third you can do it the same way. You have to go to pi r, so 2 into 22 upon 7. Second one is into 28. So 7 4s are, third is 21. So 7 3s are, just multiply, you will get the answer. Now question number 2, we have to find out the area. Again we have to take the value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So first one, the radius is given as 14 millimeter it is given. So what formula we will use? Area of circle is equal to its pi r square. Okay, circumference is 2 pi r and circle is pi r square. So pi as it is being told 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. R square means r into r. As I had explained there, r into r became r square. So r square means r into r. That is 14 into 14. So now we can cancel 7 2s are, now 22 2s are is 44 and 44 into 14. So 14 4s are so it will be 56. Now again 14 4s are is 56 plus 5 is 61. So our answer comes 616 millimeter square, because it is given mm, so it's millimeter square. Same way second one में देखो diameter दिया है. In second one diameter is being given as 49 meter. So we want what? Radius. Formula में आपको क्या चाहिए? Radius बटा diameter is being given. So radius is what? D by 2. Diameter को 2 से divide करो, you will get radius. So now we will make 49 upon 2. अब उसको divide मत करो, it will be easy for us to cancel somewhere. So formula, area of circle is equal to its pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2. So 7 7s are is 49, 2 1s are and 2, 11s are. Now what is remaining? These 3 are remaining. So 77 and 49. So 7 9s are is 16, 3, so 6, 7 4s are 28 plus 6 is 34. Again, so 3, 7, 7 and 7. So 3773 divided by 2. So it will be 2 1s are 2, 1 and 7 is 17. So 2 8s are 16, 1 and 7 8s are again 13. So 2 6 are and 0.5 meter square will be your answer. So this is how we have to find out, student. Now third one you have to do it by yourself, because in that radius is only given and you have to find out the area. Nothing hard is being there. Now let us move to question number 3. Now in question number 3 it is being given that if the circumference of the circle, देखो circumference पहले square और रेक्टेंगल में क्या होता था, डायरेक्ट पेरीमीटर दे देते थे, हम साइड फाइंड आउट करते थे if square was being there, नहीं तो missing length या breadth we used to find out. So the same thing we have to do it here also. Circumference is given, find its radius, also find the area of the sheet. Means area भी find out करना है. So first they are given only circumference, they are given and they are told which value of pi we have to use. So according to the question, we will write what circumference is given, that is equal to 154 meter. Now we have to find out what radius, so we will use the formula of circumference of circle is equal to what? 2 pi r. Now we are having the circumference 154, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r, because that we have to find out. So we will do cross multiplication. So therefore r is equal to 7 from division will go to multiplication and this 2 will come in division. So 154 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So let us cancel it by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 1 and 4 14 again. 7s are, now both are divisible by 11. So 11 2s are and 11 7s are. Now what is remaining? R is equal to 7 7s are is 49 upon 2 is what is remaining. So if we want to change it into decimal, we can change. It will be 24.5 will come as the answer. But let us change it. So it will come as 24.5 meter is what will get the radius. Now we have to find out what? We have to find out the area also. So what we will do? Therefore, area of circle is equal to, it comes to pi r square. Now see students, if we are not changing here in point, ये जो है वो हमको यहाँ पे लिख देना है 49 upon 2. Here also the radius is 49 upon 2, so we get the same answer. The answer will not change. So it's better we will make it as meter only. Now the same thing will be copied out here. 22 upon 7 to 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2. So 7 ones are 7 sevens are 2. 11s are. Now the same thing is being there, so our answer will come 3773 upon 2, which is equal to 1886.5 meter square. See, if I would have rubbed that, I would also know that it is getting same answers. So say 49 upon 2. If you want to convert it into point and then you want to do it, then also the answer will come same. It will not change. But as it is becoming easy to cancel, कर सकते हैं, आपको पता है, then just keep it in the fraction form only. Then it will be easy for us. Now the next one, which we have to see, is question number 4. That a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he need to purchase. If he makes 2 rounds of fence, also find the cost of rope if its cost rupees 4 per meter. अब ये circular garden है, उसको क्या लगाना है? Fencing. Now fencing means you are knowing what? Fencing means क्या? कहाँ पे लगाते हैं? On the outer boundary पे लगाते हैं. So means what we have to find out? Perimeter. But as it is circle, we will find out circumference. But what is given? Diameter is given. Diameter दिया है, उसके बाद बोला है कि rope से fence करना है, और वो भी एक नहीं 2 round. So when we will find out the circumference, it will be just of 1 round. हमें 2 राउंड के लिए कितना रोप चाहिए, that we have to find out. plus we also have to find out the cost. See, it is almost similar to perimeter and area and perimeter of square and rectangle, बस खाली ये circle है, that's it, but remaining thing is being same. So first what is being given? Diameter is being given. So first what we have to do? We have to find out the radius. So it's question number 4. The diameter is given 21 meter and we have to find out the radius. So radius means diameter divided by 2 and 21 upon 2 will give it as it is. उसको रहने दो because it can be cancelled. As pi की वैल्यू क्या लेने को बोला है? 22 upon 7. So that you have to take care that whether we can divide, then फिर radius को fraction form में ही रहने दो. Now we'll find out what circumference. So circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21 upon 2. That's what we got the radius. So 7 ones are 7, 3s are 2 ones are, and here also 2 ones are. So it is being cancelled. So what we are getting, circumference 22 3s are is 66 meter. अभी हमको क्या मिल गया? Circumference. Now this much rope is just for one round. We have to find out the rope for 2 rounds. So therefore rope required for 2 rounds. So it will be 2 into 66, that comes to 132 meter. इतनी total rope चाहिए to fence that circular garden. Now the cost is being given कि 1 मीटर का cost कितना बोला है? 4 rupees. So 32 मीटर का कितना होगा? So what we write? Cost of 1 meter rope is equal to rupees 4. So therefore cost of 132 meter rope, that will be equal to 4 into 132. So that will come to 4 2s are is 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So it will come to rupees 528 as the cost of rope that will be needed for 2 rounds. 2 round rope का लगाना है अगर fencing के लिए. So total 132 meter rope will be required और जो cost होगा that will be 528 rupees. Now question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. एक circular sheet है. Okay, let me make one figure. It is given that from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. For example, ये एक circular sheet है. उसका radius कितना बताया? 4 सेंटीमीटर का. Yes, okay. 4 सेंटीमीटर का ये सर्कुलर शीट है. अब उसमें से एक सर्कुलर शीट को निकाल दिया. मीन्स गॉट a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. अब ये जो सर्कल का रेडियस है that is how much? 3 centimeter. तो क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया था? One circular sheet is being there with radius 4. इसलिए ये जो रेडियस है that is 4 which circle? outer. अब उसमें से एक सर्कल निकाल दिया with radius 3 centimeter. अब हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रिमेनिंग शीट. मतलब पूरी शीट में से अगर इतना निकाल दिया तो कितना एरिया बच गया? that we have to find out. So what we used to do before also, same way, पहले बाहर के एरिया, बाहर के सर्कल का एरिया फाइंड आउट करेंगे. Then circle of the inner सर्कल, एरिया ऑफ इनर सर्कल, फिर आउटर सर्कल में से इनर सर्कल को हम क्या कर देंगे माइनस, सो विल गेट दैट हाउ मच sheet is been remaining, and here the value of pi we have to take, that is 3.14. देखो वो भी ध्यान रखना है that in the question what is the value of pi we have to take is given or not, और दिया है तो क्या है. If it is not given then you can use of your own 22/7 or 3.14, but if it is mentioned in the question that you have to take pi is equal to 3.14, then you have to take the value of pi as 3.14 only. So first question number 5. So we can say we will take this 4 centimeter as what, capital R, and this small circle as small r. Okay, so that will take, तो उसको हम क्या कंसीडर करते हैं, outer radius. You write outer radius is equal to capital R. We are taking it as how much, 4 centimeter. So now we will find out area of outer circle. So the formula is pi. Here we will take capital R because we are considering it as capital R. Those circle है, that's why. So that will come to 3.14 into 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. So 314 into 16. So 16 4s are 64. 6. 16 1s are 16 plus 6 is 22. So 2. 16 3s are 48 plus 2 is 50. So it comes 50.24 centimeter square. That is the area of what we are getting. बाहर का जो सर्कल है, means जो सर्कुलर शीट है उसका रेडियस का एरिया हमको मिलेगा कितना, 50.24 centimeter square. Now let us find out the circle which is to be removed from there. So what we will write, inner radius, and that we are taking it as small r only, and that is how much, 3 centimeter, and therefore area of inner circle. So area of inner circle is equal to what, again pi r square. Here we will use small r only because we had considered it as small r. So again 3.14 into 3 into 3, so 3 3s is 9, means 314 into 9, so 36, 3, 12, 1 and 28. So our answer comes 28.26 centimeter square. तब दोनों सर्कल का एरिया आ गया. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the area of the remaining sheet. So the same thing we will write, therefore area of the remaining sheet, that will be equal to what, outer area minus inner area, we will do it. So that is 50.24 minus 28.26. So 50.24 and 28.26. So 14 minus 6 is 8. Now as we have to borrow from here, so it will become 4. Here it will become 9. Here it will be 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So our answer comes 21.98 centimeter square will be the answer for the question. So दिया क्या था, एक सर्कुलर शीट दिया था, उसका रेडियस कितना था 4 सेंटीमीटर. उसमें से 3 सेंटीमीटर का जो सर्कल फॉर्म करके उसको उसमें से कट कर देना था, निकाल देना था. तो बाकी जो बचता है उसका एरिया कितना, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो फर्स्ट वी फाउंड the outer circle, जो बाहर का जो circle था with radius 4, that we have considered as capital R. That's why in the formula we have used capital R square. So that we had found that comes to 50.24 centimeter square. Then we had found the area for the smaller means inner circle with radius 3 centimeter, that we had considered as small r. So that we got 28.26. And finally area of remaining sheet means बाहर का जो सर्कल था उसमें से अंदर के सर्कल का एरिया माइनस करोगे, so you will get 21.98 centimeter square. So that was your question number 5. Now question number 6, that Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find the cost if 1 meter of lace costs rupees 15. अब देखो क्या है कि साइमा को क्या लगाना है, लेस लगाना है. कहाँ पे? सर्कुलर जो टेबल है उसकी एज पे. सर्कुलर टेबल है उसके एज पे लगाना है. मींस व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट सर्कमफ्रेंस, बट रेडियस की जगह पे क्या दिया है, डायमीटर इज बीइंग गिवन. सो डायमीटर व्हाट यू विल टेक, डायमीटर इज 1.5. सो रेडियस में जब कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 1.5/2. तो वो ही रहने देना. और इफ यू वांट यू कैन डिवाइड इट. 1.5 को जब 2 से डिवाइड करोगे सो इट विल कम एज 0.75 आएगा. सो दिस विल बी योर रेडियस व्हिच यू विल गेट. Why I am explaining this? Because this sum you have to do it as your homework. So circular table है उसको less लगानी है and the diameter is given 1.5, which I already changed. The radius you will get, that will be 0.75. Now length of lace required, so वो तो circumference find out करोगे तो आ जाएगी. अब उसका cost भी find out करना है कि 1 मीटर का 15 रुपीस होता है, तो जितना भी मीटर आएगा उसका कितना होगा. So that we are knowing how we have done. The same way cost of 1 meter less is equal to rupees 15. So therefore cost of this much meter less is equal to, just multiply and get the answer. Here you have to take the value of pi is equal to 3.14. So be careful in applying the value of pi. 3.14 ही लेना है 22/7 नहीं. So students, in this video this much only. In the next video we will continue with the exercise. So till then.